Today we're going to be making a flower-shaped dish. So we have our template, and I'm going to use a cheat marker to outline the template so I can transfer it to my slab of clay. I want to give a shout out to Anne at Little Street Pottery. This is her idea, and this is her template, and I just wanted to see if I could make it work. So once my template is traced, I'm going to put it onto my slab of clay. Marker side down. I'll rub the back, and then I'll use a rib to make sure I get a nice adhesion to the clay. We want to make sure that the paper is good and stuck, and you'll be able to tell when it's stuck to the clay. The slab that I'm using for this project is about 1/4 of an inch thick. So once it's stuck, then I'm going to go ahead and pull it off, and my transfer is there. The marker will burn off in the kiln, so we don't have to worry about that staying around. Now I'll use a knife and cut along all the lines. The ends of each petal are going to go on top of that dot. So now I'm going to use a serrated rib tool and some slip to attach all of the petals. Make sure to score both sides. I'm going to apply some good pressure to make sure that each petal is attached. And I'll go around doing the same around the dish. Now you can, if you want to, smooth all of the petals together so that they are seamless. I chose to leave them with a distinct edge. I liked that look. So you can choose to do it however you would like. So now I'm going to smooth it all out and make it pretty. Make sure it's nice and attached on the inside and out. Here it is, all smooth, and we're going to be making 2 of these, a smaller and a larger version. Thanks to Little Street Pottery and Anne for this idea and this template.